Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not opening, you should just go to settings and we click. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Messenger and you will enter here in this window. Then we click force stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of errors on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.